What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vindari. So today we have a 2008 FJ Cruiser. This thing's got 146,000 kilometers on it, but it's still pretty good condition, guys. Still in nice shape. Look at that. I'm sticking it for a road test right now. I'm going to do a service on it, but I just wanted to show you guys what this 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser looks like. Think this is the interior. Fairly nice SUV. Just great for off-roading, stuff like that. Check that out. Got a compass. Right there, and your outside temperature. Oh, it's quite busy today, guys. Like, oh man, shop's got a lot of cars in it. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys at the shop. what's up, guys? So the service is done on this 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser. The oil change is pretty easy to do. As you guys saw, the oil filter is up top. Make sure you put a catch can or something underneath the oil filter housing. There's a drain there so that you don't spill oil all over the belt. Other than that, it's quite easy. The drain plug is underneath. It's a 14mm bolt, so anyone can do this service. I also did the cabin filter. As you guys saw, it's quite dirty, and that one's quite simple also. You just pull down the glove box and then squeeze the two tabs on the sides towards the center and then pull down, and then you should be able to access the cabin filter. And then there's an arrow that's saying pointing up, so make sure you put the cabin filter the same way. Yeah, other than that, it's quite easy. Anyways, guys, so I just want to say thank you again, guys, for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm gonna have a join button activated fairly quick, so make sure you guys check out the perks included with each level. There's perks included, so make sure to check that out, guys. Anyways, please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.